Okay, Dave, second video. Remember, for your golf swing and your purposes, we break your swing into three major components: takeaway, completion, transition. Takeaway is first, then how do you complete the backswing, and then how do you transition in the downswing. So the second video is about completion. Alright, so if you stayed connected in your takeaway, your left arm stays against your chest, and your right shoulder starts going back, like we look at that, there's your takeaway, and so we look at this where you used to have just a pure slide. Where your right shoulder did not go back, look how different that looks with your right shoulder and right hip, right? Completely different. Now, so there's takeaway. Now let's talk about completion. Completion is keep driving that right shoulder back into the wall behind you, like you're loading a punch, and allow, when you get to the point where, in flexibility, you get, okay, my range of motion, I need to let the left knee come in, and I need to let the left heel come up so that I can continue my turn. So when you look at this, that right shoulder keeps going back, the right hip went back, right? And when you look at that compared to that, that's your old completion, which is not complete, obviously. There's no turn. Right shoulder did not go back, the right hip did not go back, the left knee did not come in, the heel didn't come up. So completely different. And what's cool about this is when we compare that, our model for you to learn this was Sam Snead, which I love this because he played so well so long into life, but you can see he's stable right here, and then that knee starts to move in and the heel comes up as his hip goes back. He doesn't just lift his knee and lift his heel. It's a consequence of the hip going back and the shoulder going back, and it allows that. So that type of motion is what allowed you to get back behind the golf ball. So that's how I want you to complete your swing, given a good takeaway. All right. The next video will be our third thing I want you to remember, and I'm dividing this so that you remember to do things in order: takeaway, completion, then transition.